Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some of the per app settings feature that iOS 15 has and like how to use them. Go to settings, and I'm just going to scroll down until I find accessibility. Then as you can see under general, there is what is called like per app settings. Select it. Add app. For instance, I want to customize calculator. Select it, and here I can I'm just going to add like notes so it's easier. Notes. I want the text size to be larger like this. I can also reset it by selecting reset font size. Also can reduce the transparency. Also the button shapes, I'm not sure what that does. Bold text, increase contrast, you can enable it or have it at default. There's also smart invert, differentiate without color, reduce motion, and autoplay video reviews. This is for if you want to change settings in that specific app only. For instance, like the text is really small, or maybe it's a little bit too big, I don't know. But I think that's how you can use per app settings. That's pretty much it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!